Local news for Monday, the 11th of December. Pukaha Mount Bruce is set to increase its predator control operation with funding support from pub charity and in partnership with Good Nature Traps. 500 self-setting rat and stone traps are in the process of being placed around the 942-hectare forest reserve and 2,000-hectare buffer zone that surrounds the centre. The local government commission postal vote closes tomorrow at midday. Commission Chair Sir Gardner had earlier said that having an outcome on the proposal in December will give the people in Wairarapa, and in particular council staff and members, certainty about their council arrangements as they go off for their Christmas break. And finally in sport, the Wairarapa Bush 7 side have fallen agonisingly short in their Nationals campaign, going down 10-7 to Wanganui in the plate final. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.